Okay guys, thanks for tuning. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we're gonna learn about how to say here, there, and over there in Japanese. So how do you say these? Here. Okay, so I've written them down on my whiteboard. Okay, so let's go back a bit more. So how do you say here? And here in Japanese, koko. Koko. So let's say, ここは僕の部屋です. This is my room. ここは僕の部屋. The next one is そこ. そこ is there. And あそこ is the last one, which means over there. So, looking at these examples, what can we tell? If you watch the previous video, we can see that these starting syllables, ko, so, and a, are all the same as the words that we learned in the last video, which were ko, re, so, re, a, re. So in the last video, we learned kore, sore, and are, which was this, that, and that thing over there. And just replacing re with this ko now, we've changed the words into here, there, and over there. Quite straightforward, yeah? Yeah, let's just go over them again. So this is koko, soko, asoko. Koko, here. Soko, there. Asoko, over there. So you can say kokeko. For example, koko, I am koko, which means I am here. And you can say you are soko, you are there. And then you can say they are asoko, they are over there. It's quite straightforward, yeah? So you just replace re with ko to make it here, there, over there. So yeah, I hope you've learned something today as well. I hope to keep on producing these videos more and more for you guys. I'm trying to think of a better way, better examples. And I want to be able to engage with you guys more. So yeah, I want to make these videos more engaging for you. So yeah, please let me know what you want to know. Hopefully there's some more comments on this video. But you know, love you guys. Thanks for watching.